story can be a lesson. This happened to me when I was 18. 18! But I
But I
remember this
remember
accident
this
like
sexy. Joke lang ikaw na. Sige, joke.
since we were 8. Hindi ko alam ang kanta eh. But I
But
remember
I
this.
remember this incident like
Oh.
yesterday, yesterday.
Uy,
Traumatic.
copyright.
Ay, sorry. Next.
Uy, hindi ko nabasag kanina.
Oh, shit. Basta trauma daw siya.
For a little background, my dad was
Dad?
a
Realtor.
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 And always became friends with his clients. One day, he came home and pitched me a small job offer for the weekend. One of his old clients was going away for a few days and needed somebody he could trust to watch over his house. The man worked as a COO at a local media company. My dad would told me the man would pay me $100 just to watch the house and do some basic chores. He's an old. He's an old. I accepted the offer as I had nothing interesting going for the weekend. Besides, I thought I could use the time to get my schoolwork done. Plus, I wasn't picky where my pocket money came from. My dad drove me to the house. It is a haunted house. Oh shit, yun na agad.
Una, let's go!
Go. Pixelated ba? Oh, it's actually pixelated enough. Pero medyo na scary pa din.
Sino maglaro
Wala pa
eh?
yung tatay mo. Yan na. Joke lang.
Nilagpas sa...
Oh. Oh.
Wala ka pa naman dad eh.
Nice closing doors, I guess.
Whoa, oh, what?
Walk!
That shit. Dad? Oh, what?
Oh, what? Wala.
What? People!
Hindi ka pa, tangina, hindi ka pa naglilibot dyan sa taas. Tangina, tap ka na agad.
Oh, shit.
No smoking.
Hindi naman talaga smoke, so...
Yeah. Ikaw tao. Lean back.
Yeah, mas safe.
Kaya mo kung sasawayin. Ayan!
Fucking hell, man.
Wait, shit. Go!
Wag!
Ay, gagawa ko pala! Tangin.
Ikaw lang! Okay, prega!
Uy! Gusto ko tingnan.
Sige,
Wala.
tingnan mo.
Wala eh. Uy! Gago! What's that?
Ay, di ba tatay ko?
My dad! You my dad? Bleach. What? Where did you put it?
Put?
What is this place?
What did you put what?
Ano? Ano sa'yo yan? Basta bleach, I need the bleach. What even is this place? Who are you? Damn, he looks like... Kamukha niya si ano? Sino yan? I forgot. Kasi yung artista yan. Said I need bleach. No? Wait. Knows me. No? Half time's over. We're here. You said you could do this. Dapat ikaw rin sasalita niya. Wake up, Noah. Noah, wake up.
Tapos na yung ano ko Ikaw naman.
Hello, ako yung tumakbo?
Oh? Dad?
Still think you can do this? How long did I doze off for? Doesn't matter. Can you do this now?
I got this, man.
Roy called and said the keys should be under the fake rock. Got it. He said it's in the backyard.
Okay.
And like I said, keep the doors locked and don't open the door for anyone.
I heard you the first time, Dad. Ako na. Ikaw doon sa dad.
Okay, now get your ass to work, bitch.
I know I'm only it for ish.
The fuck? Fuck you say to me, son? Met no clue.
Alright. Hindi ako na.
Bye,
Sige.
Dad.
Tutorial lang. Uy, wait! Ano ko? Fucking hell, yung power bank ko. Stupid.
Power bank. Bro, may saksakan naman dyan. Ooh, key. What's that? And then, shiny lang. Something shiny lang. Saga sa...
Lad?
Sayang. Dad? It was a nice neighborhood.
Mm-hmm.
Ang backyard, nandun yung ano,
Backyard ba?
bato. Putang ina, huwag kang kumanon, please. Oh, wait, pwede mong interact ka. Didn't want to mess with that stuff. Hello. Backyard. That's the... Siguro doon pa. Sa likod. Oh! You got a little wet. Okay.
Backyard. Where's the fake rock?
Hi, doggo. Boy. Ano pangalan yung boy? Yan, fake rock. Thank you.
This is the main key, right?
Probably. Yep. Oh. Kasi wala ka ng aso. Hi, doggo. Chinek muna. Do not disturb for I had to pee. Ihi ka daw muna. Hindi yan.
Oh no,
Oh,
kala ko CR
Jesus.
yan.
Ano yung CR yan?
No,
Nope.
that.
Oh yeah, there it is. Putang ina, slam door yan. Pee. Uy, di shoot?
Oh shit! Uh-oh. Oh shit.
Shoot mo.
Oh shit! Sorry. No, what?
Naisi mo yan, gago.
Basta ako kamay.
G to throw. Okay. Okay, may iPhone.
Wait, what?
Escape to read the message.
Jesus, kala ko sa'yo yun. This school is full of asshole. Sino to?
Ano niya?
Girlfriend?
Mm-mm.
Wait lang, ba't dalawa cellphone ko? Ba't nagre-reply ng kusa to? Oh, what the fuck?
Okay, blue ano na siya?
Oo.
Bakit?
Ba't siya nag-blue?
Ewan. Okay, alis ka na. I love you, promise. Enter mo nga. I'll take care of him in the house now.
Sino tong Roy Carson?
Yung may-ari ng bahay. Oo na, ina mo.
Ayaw malo! Ayaw ma-enter! So, ano ulit yung kailangan ko gawin? Blah blah blah.
Okay na, umihi.
Do I need to...
Oh, may text. Send me text. From the basement. Gago,
Hello?
basement.
Your lifesaver cake. Speaking of, I want you to remind your... It's his dinner time. Who?
Yung ano, yung aso.
From the... Who put the dog food on that basement? Hello?
I don't even know, dude. Gagong dami niyo. Whoa, what the fuck?
So, sala to? Ano to?
Sala din.
Na meeting.
Pero parang office niya. So ano siya? Para siyang photographer? Holy shit, dude. There's the dog.
Oh,
Oh,
off.
oh.
Oh, that's why. Kala ko kung ano meron dito. Ano
I'm
dito?
sorry, Mr. Carson.
Yeah, I'm doing your stuff. Can I open the TV? So may pusa siyang nakita dito na hindi atin.
Mm, mm.
Sara ko muna lahat ng pinto para alam ko na coast clear.
Go na. Kailangan mo pakainin yung aso.
Oo!
Yan, ano inahanda mo sa sarili mo?
Ha? Ikaw gusto ba?
Ayak ka! Wala pa, pre. Like, why? Bakit sa basement, di ba?
Kaya nga,
Ako din ako
pwede
eh.
naman lagay
Kaya
dito.
ako din dyan. Oo. Mas madali pa. Like, boy sa basement, bitch.
Ay, man.
Okay. Hi, pre. Tayan, pre. Low?
Oh,
Game na? Sino ba? Sino mo gagalaw?
ako muna.
Sige, sige, sige. Wait, what the
Ayaw gumalaw ng
fuck?
Wait nga, ayaw gumalaw ng ano. Yung mouse ko napupunta sa kabilang screen ko. Ikaw muna. Shit.
Tang ina naman, pre. Yung nino eh.
Ano yan?
Paano magsara na, no?
Left click lang.
Ah, left click, okay.
Pero I recommend na open mo yan. Mainit?
Init eh.
Baba ka. Nandun yung ano eh, pinto eh.
Ah, oh my god, what the fuck is this place, dude? Where is it? Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is it? Bro, ang dilim naman dito. Wala bang ilaw? Ito lang. Oh, storage room upstairs. Bro, you could have just said it earlier. Oh, that's the bathroom.
Dalawa sa...
Gagong ganda talaga. I want this house. Minus the kung ano man nangyayari. Oh, shit.
Hindi storage yan.
Bro! Look at this. Bro, what?
Master bedroom.
Master
Slash.
bedroom ta single bed lang. Oh, this is the storage room. I
Too dark,
assume.
Recommend
No?
sara mo din yung ano.
Oh. Oh, naka-lock. Bro, this house is massive. Ooh.
No?
Go, battle, go. Okay, that's the
Bro,
laundry.
yung laundry nila nasa taas.
Oh, actually, sa US din ganun eh.
Really?
Yeah, nasa taas ang laundry nila. Pero mas preferable talaga kung nasa baba.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Use? You can use it. Ay, hindi yung ano pala. Oh. Oh. Uy, pwede yung man lang pinakain yung aso. Ang nanto.
Paano kasing trabaho yan? Hindi ba pwede ano? Magsusurvive naman yun eh.
Oh.
Ah!
Ba't may camera?
I checked this too, right?
Yep. You already dyan natin nakuha yun.
Oh,
Ito yun ba?
wala.
Nawala yung ilaw? Nung ano? Yun na.
Oo na.
Oh my god, game. Ay, never mind. Ito yung gumag... Wala
Takot
pa.
siya.
Pero nagulat ako doon, tang ina mo. Bro, ano ba
May
tong
corner na.
lugar?
Pre, wala naman eh. Text ko na kaya, pre. Pre, wala.
Pero wala. Wala.
Wala dito, pre.
Asan yung dog food, pre? You good? Oh, ba't nawala? Tama yung dog food eh. Ayan! Dog food. Paano? Putang ina, huwag ka gumanon. Pero di ba siya nahihirapan? Nandiyan yung dog food niya. Takting, tanga. Ayan. Wait, na-interact mo. Ayan.
Right! We're set! Pili ka ano dyan. Ito mo
Ayan.
ng ano, non-branded.
Non-branded. Wait, what? Uy! Gago. Where's the dog?
Doggy.
Doggy. What's up, doggy? Tanga nang tunog
It's
yan.
your food. Bakit?
Is he okay? Pet mo nga. He good? Oh, he good. Okay, he good.
Ah, tara dito. Bitch.
Yun. Oh. Punta ka sa kitchen. Kailangan pa i-open yung ano.
Ay, kunin ko na.
Kunin mo na. Mahal siguro ng mga... Where is she going? Yun ang ayoko. Can opener. Jesus. Oh, you can drink. Ayan, yung camera, ayan, sa harap po yung can opener. Ayan. Open the bitch up. Wow! Galing mo naman i-open, pre.
Doggy.
Doggy. Ayun, nasa right side mo. Ay, left side pala. Ayan siya. Doggy catch. Good boy. Ay, to. I-over the back mo.
Damn it.
Dang it.
So, sino to? Ito yung pusa?
Ayan.
Oh? Ay, ano to?
Kung ano. Nope. Okay.
Wow, racist ba tong game na to?
Bakit?
Nagmamang-maangan na, tinan mo. Alam mo, hindi pinuntahan kanina eh.
Ano yung sound? Uy, may text pa. Okay. Look at your computer. Smiley face. Download ko na din Valve na yan.
It's so cringe na hindi mo pwede ilagay. Dapat man lang nilagay nila kahit hindi nila pansin. Hindi nila pansinin.
Hindi ka pats.
So,
We going up.
where's the...
Yan. Straight ahead and then turn right. There we go. Tumatakbo ka ba?
Ah,
May text?
and then bitch.
May rin. Pero may text. Like, can't download. Ako na PC mo, Freya.
Ale... Ano? Alec
Alec
Carson.
Carson. Alec Carson. Wait, tingnan yung number, di ko nakabisa.
5'3", 5'8" pala. 3'7".
Ano ba?
Oh, di ba?
Oh, di ba? Baligtad.
5'3", 8'7".
5387.
Sit in the chair, give me this computer. Oh my god, nostalgic nito.
Nostalgic. Rainbow OS.
Gago, Windows ano
Alec
pre?
Carson. Ale Carson. 5387. Oh,
Ikaw nga!
ba yan? Wait lang. Ale Carson. 53? Diba?
Ba, 87.
5387. Huh? Wait lang. Ba capital A. Ale Carson. 5387. Oh, di ba? Copy capital pre. Damn, nostalgia.
Oh
Anong
my
kailangan niya
god.
dyan?
Ang sarap. So by means...
Oh.
Oh, ito yung error na sinasabi niya. Uy, hindi! Check ko lang.
Oh. Ayan, gamitin mo na yung pagka ano mo. Free to everyone. Valorant.
Pre, patay lang Valor!
Eh ba?
Ayo, Steam na lang.
Steam.
Bebe!
Uy, gago.
Download lang. Wala nang ano. Ang kaya nila ano. Pwede ko din ganito. Oh my god, pwede din.
Very nice.
Ito. Oh.
Perform a full scan. Okay. For the IT.
Siyempre.
Threats 3.
Ah.
Threats found. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. Ayan, may Trojan. Remove.
Parang gagawa nitong ano na to. Babae. Ay, whoops.
Hindi ko man baka.
Tagal eh.
Lamang.
Ano yan, pre? Bili. Break muna tayo.
Egypt.
Lakas.
Next.
I got this, pre. Let's go.
Let's go! What the fuck is that? Sri Lanka?
Ata?
Sri Lanka, oo. Fuck!
Ah, bobo. My turn. Let's go.
Uy, dali! Hello, Norway. Kaya ko yan. Norway. Oh. Sweden. Okay. What the fuck? Swaziland? Fuck!
2 hours later.
Netherlands. Ay, hindi. Fuck.
Pero, walang Pilipinas.
Wala. Hindi tayo titigil ang gato ng Pilipinas.
Oo, pre.
Hoy! Ayan na! Yeah! Yeah! Pilipinas, bitch!
Spain.
Mabuha. Gago. I mean, technically, naging Spain.
Spain tayo, pre. Ay,
Okay
updated na ba? Pilipinas na ba?
Okay na. Ano pa? Oh, shit. Oh, wow. Ayaw
Wait,
ba
I
yan?
remember something. Sabi nilaro natin nung... Ay, hindi.
Oh my. Hindi.
Yun.
Ano lang yan? Parang cabinet lang yata or something.
Wait, I put fucking can in here. Huh?
Bakit?
Ano?
May night mode, oh. Right click.
Ayun yung kan.
ayun ka. I'm scared. Ba't biglang naging ganito yung game? Na yung dog?
Still eating.
Still eating.
Ano to?
O ano? Oh, fuck. BCD burner. Bakit? Ano yung
Ay,
test?
ayoko to. Pero, should we?
Go. Go, yes, we should.
Ayaw i-restore.
And then nice. Internet. Putang ina, ba't gumaganon? Switching from computer. Try reinstalling, ano? Because MS VCR, yung VCR 71 missing from your computer. So yan.
Hindi, 0 KB eh. So, hindi natin malalaro.
Oh, ano yung egg exe?
Yun yun eh.
Oh.
Ay,
Magano ka na, mag-math problem ka na.
wait, what? May sinabi ba?
Hindi,
Ay,
wala no,
text.
actually.
May nag-text ka pala habang naglalaro tayo.
Oh, what was that about? Reminds me of cooking gelatin last night. By the way, everyone must be on right. You gotta watch it with me. Wait, that place got a TV? Yeah, hold on. It's
You know
done.
what?
It was just some Trojan. I recommend you only download software from trusted websites. I'll drop you a nice tip when I get back. Okay.
So what's my
Okay.
objective?
Wala pa. At the moment, wala pa.
Ito kailangan ko i-clear dyan eh. Dapat dyan lang eh.
Hmm. Ano kaya? Ano kaya ang ano nyo? Parang there's a door there. Baka yan yung door na hindi mo maano. Yan yun. Yan yung door na hindi mo mabuksan. Kasi yeah.
Yun yung reveal.
Sweet family.
Nasaan ba sila? Nag-trip ba sila?
Baka nag-trip.
There's no way wala tayong gagawin dito.
For sure meron pa yan. VCD burner. Critical error. Close. Ano kaya yan? So laro na lang ulit tayo ng stuff like.
Let's go!
Alright, let's go. Turkey! Fuck!
Fuck! Taiwan!
Taiwan, gago.
Papu! Yeah!
Yeah!
Philippines! Yeah!
Putangin. United, gago. Baka na dun. Watch TV. Watch TV?
Down.
Ano gawin mo dyan?
Kaya ito yung neighbors ko.
Yung neighbors. Oh, bawal. Sagasa ka. Ano kayo mangyayari? Hi, buds.
Sir, stop!
Stop the vehicle, sir.
Sir!
Never mind. There are other ways I could have died that night. Jesus.
Okay, before we watch...
Anong gagawin mo? Yung kabir? Dala ka knife? No food. Puro to, ano yan?
Umisami, ketchup...
Yan. Throw.
Bawal. Di inom na lang ako bang manonood. Inom ako ketchup. Tayo
Ano
ketchup.
pre? Tapa mo nga lahat. Ano yan? Ang nang nagkalat eh, no? Gago.
Yun!
Yun!
Now we're talking.
Apple juice. Walang yellow eh. Okay na yun, lamig naman yun. Tignan mo. Nakakainis yung mga gano'n mo bigla.
Sorry. Naririnig kasi ko. Tingnan na ba natin to?
Yeah, we never checked that room. Ay, yan din pala
Oh.
yun yung ano. Yun yung... It's about the garage. Oh, nood ka na.
Hello. Welcome. Cooking with Jeffrey. I'm Jeffrey. And today we are cooking
Ano yun?
Galing.
love.
Kirig.
Super.
It's my
So, are you watching?
dish.
Cat food?
Enjoyable and healthy.
My favorite.
Doesn't that just look
You
nice?
good?
Can't eat this. It's raw. So first, we are going to gently pour the cat food onto
Creepy.
this conveniently placed
Kaya nga eh, what?
on a stove.
Kung ano? Oh, don't do that.
Pinawala.
Like a baby suckling upon a mother's bosom. Oh,
What?
lucky baby.
The fuck is
Ayun no.
Okay, now while that's cooking,
Jeffrey really
work
just be
on an
Jeffrey sometimes.
appetizer. I will be preparing what's known as a piece of cardboard dipped in milk. We will need a piece of cardboard, a glass, and some milk.
Nice.
To start, we
It's your
pour
turn, by the
milk
way.
into the glass.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Next, we dip the cardboard into the
Right
milk.
Carson, 3 mix.
Look at that.
What?
Doesn't that just look nice? Okay, now that the cat food is finished cooking, we can finally serve it.
Magalit na ako dyan, oh. May reply.
Hmm.
Amazing.
Wait, ano sabi? What the fuck?
Madali na yun.
Ano
Madali
sabi?
na yan.
I'm the hand merchant.
Madali na yan.
Buy some hands. Don't have.
Should we get up na?
I'll give you hands.
Pwede. Oh,
Got
I think
too
good
many
dad.
hands to handle? I'll take them. I got the best hands. Only the highest quality hands for
Nice.
you. Got too many fingers? I'll take them. Not enough fingers? I'll give you more fingers.
Ang galit na nga. Galit ka na nga.
They're great. I got
Saan yung cash?
too much hands.
Sa nightstand? Oh, but you're missing the best part. Ano ba ang nightstand? Wait. The nightstand... ang alam ko ang nightstand is kwarto niya. Tapos yung kwarto niya sa taas. Tapos yung parang cabinet doon sa gilid. Yeah, that one. Probably that one. No. Yung may alarm clock. Diyan dapat eh. Ayan. Nice. Paano ako mag-grocery? Yung chat ulit si Ray. You can take Alex's bike. It's outside the garage. Hell yeah. Nice.
Oh, now you go. Yung favorite mo. Ikaw na talaga.
Welcome to my drive.
Uy! Imagine to mo.
Wait, wait. Asan ba ang ano actually?
Text, may nag-text, di ba?
Asan yung... Yeah.
Shit.
Oh,
Ikaw na.
shit.
Gusto ako ulit.
Hindi ako. Uy, dilim. 9:22 p.m.
Ah, yeah, it's still open.
Maga pa pala.
7-Eleven. Wow.
Ay, bumasig na. Narinig mo yan?
Ah. Pasok mo.
What's up, guys? Don't mind me.
Speedrun this shit.
Ano kailangan natin? Ranch. Wait.
Ranch muna. Tabi,
Yeah, so
old
ranch.
lady.
Wait, nandito sa section na to eh. Garden please, honey. wait. Ito, eggs. We need eggs. Ay, gago. Kailangan ko umalis. Fuck. Wait lang, kukuha lang ako. Hindi ako makakuha ng eggs. Ano ulit? Milk and eggs. Hindi ako makakuha ng eggs. These are eggs. Tabi! Wait.
Lagay mo dito.
Okay na. Ayan, okay na yun. Gotta get some eggs. Okay, what?
Lagay mo doon sa ano. Dito. Basag!
Lagay ko sa basket.
Oh,
Wait. Aya. Teka nga. Uy. Huwag mo ako tingnan, okay? May busy ako. Move. Aya. Paano to? Gago. Uy, gago.
Wow!
What the fuck? Hey son, do you work here?
No.
I'm just here shopping. Okay, son. Why? My son likes mustard I came for, but I can't find it for the life of me. Do you know where it is? Hold on, let me get it for you.
Bakit ikaw?
Oh, no, I'll be right over here.
Pre, hirap na hirap ka na, ba't ka patotolag?
Ang bait ako eh! Saan yung mustard? Para mahanap ko din kasi kailangan na din natin yun.
Pitig.
We need milk. Ayan, dyan na yung milk. Okay. Mustard. That's not mustard.
Wait, kunin mo na
Oh,
to.
gagong.
Uy, bike ko!
Uy, bike!
Puta. Sige, go, we mustard.
Mustard. Hello people. And speak of the devil. Ay, kilala ko. Oh, hey Andy? Bro, your girl was here. She just left. What are you talking about? What was her name? Kara or something? Dude, I said they're not dating anymore. Oh yeah, he helped that other chick so quick, I didn't even realize. Don't listen to him, but dude, she bought tons and tons of cans. She's throwing a party or something, you know? Anything about it? Bro, she looks way older without the makeup. MILF energy, bro. Ew. She's more of like a goth. Goth MILF energy. Guys done. Anyway, dude, what are you up to tonight?
Yeah, tama yung
just
pangatlo.
chilling. Hey, sir.
Fuck!
You should come with us, dude. We're going to the movies after this.
Yeah.
I have to house sit for this guy Carson today. Mean that Alex? He goes to school with my sister. Her kid's real weirdo, especially since his parents split up. Whatever, he fills my pocket I'm in for. Alright, dude, see you school Monday then. See you around, Andy. Okay, where's... Back in high school, I was class clown. Yung mustard. I like how hinanapan ko muna yung matanda no bago yung sarili ko.
Kaya ako yung tangina nito eh.
Paano ba kasi mag-ano?
Ayan, yan ang mustard sa likod.
Ito? Is that mustard?
Ayan
naman.
ang mas!
Oo, ano?
Yan, bato mo sa kanya po.
Nasaan-
Tangina,
nasaan
nasa
siya?
na yan, puta na ka na. He's waiting for what? Oh, no, I got this shit.
I got this shit. Where the fuck did she go?
Don't tell, wait, huwag mo sabihin ako bibili nito.
The fuck? Hindi, kailangan din natin to eh.
Lalagay
But
mo
where
na.
the fuck did she go?
Ego.
Ikaw.
Ew.
Jeez. Ew. Grabe. Close enough. Fuck. Teka nga, baka ilalagay lang natin. Ayun! Wait, what the fuck? Hoy, ito na yung ano mo, bitch.
Ay!
Ano sa siya galing ka? Si go. Hey, bitch. Ay. Give mustard.
Shut the fuck up.
Anyways, gawin na natin yung kailangan natin gawin. Which is
Ang
that.
ayaw pa din.
Nice.
Nailed it! Ano? You.
Ano? Oh,
Oh my
ganun,
God!
ganun pala, pre. Wait, what do we need? Ranch. We need some ranch. Garden peas. Is garden peas? Yeah, that's garden peas. Ganun yun pala, pre. Milk and eggs. Milk with the capital milk. This milk? Milk. Fresh milk. Yan. The fuck? Garden peas, honey. Honey. Rice. Uncle Tony's only. Kep naman ito, pre. Sabi? Uy! Uy!
What?
Kala ko hindi, kala ko mahuhulog yung rice. Ay, yung ano, yung binibili ko. Hello, bitch. What's up, bitch? What do we need? Forgot again. Oh, one honey. Strawberry. Is this strawberry? It looks like strawberry. Right? Ginagawa.
Ano pa kulang?
Strawberry? I think this is strawberry. Garden peas,
Uncle
honey.
Tony's only.
Okay na yung honey. Is this ranch? Yeah, this ranch. Ranch, strawberry jelly, okay na. Milk and eggs, okay na. Ketchup. Is this ketchup? I mean, it looks like ketchup though. Okay, got that.
Ano pa? Ano pa?
Ano pa?
Sakit sa ulo, gagi.
Ito. Rice. Last is rice. Ay, hindi. Choco spread pala. Ito, choco spread.
Yun.
Then, yung rice. Uncle
Rice?
Tony's lang daw. Oo. Rice. Hello.
Hey, Marcel.
What
Anyway.
if I throw ko to? Oh. Wait, tabi. See yung rice,
Tabi!
guys. I haven't seen the rice.
Dito yung rice, pre.
There you go. Ito?
Ah, lobat na pala yung ano ko, mouse ko. Sige, ikaw muna. Changing
rice.
maps.
Ito, rice. Ay. What the fuck? Fuck did I just get? Throw. Rice.
Ayan yun.
Hindi, nanap ko yung Uncle Tony's eh. Elbows.
Ito.
Ayun, Uncle Tony's.
Yan, dalawa na.
Wala.
Pambukas. Saan ba? O, tas kuha tayo ng paatin. Ano mo na sa'yo? Bili, 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 bili.
Bikes are not allowed inside.
Oops.
Whoops, I'm sorry. Uy!
Fine, fine.
Fine, Jesus.
Go up. Wait,
Throw mo
wait,
sa
wait.
kanya lahat. Tangina.
What's the bike?
Fine, Jesus. Some people, you know? You know, some people.
Tabi,
Yeah.
tanda?
Some people.
Oo, hindi ko maano.
And may bit-bit kayo, what do you mean?
Paano to?
Eh, tapo mo sa kanya. G. Yan, G.
Fine, do your job, bitch.
Ay, diba? Yung bike ulit.
Ito na, drive-thru nga eh.
Ito ba? Ito ba? Ito ba? Ha? Yan? Fuck you. Go, go, go. Go out. Uy, ayaw mong bumukas eh. Bukas! Yan.
Hindi, igigitna natin.
Thank you. Nice. Okay,
Pabili
graphic.
nga nito.
Pulutin mo ngayon.
Pulutin mo na, putang ina niya eh.
Yan. Ching, 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 ching. Putang ang dami natin binili. Jesus. Wait, ano itong isang to? Ano ka na ba? Can't even see you. Who cares? Just fucking... Bro! Bro, do your job! Scan all this shit, dude! Tapos na! Milk and egg, garden peas. Oo, tapos na. We already grabbed everything. So what?
Thanks for shopping. Yeah, na-favorite mo. Driving.
Yay. Gala muna tayo bago tayo mag... Aray! Oh! Ano lang. Gala muna tayo na meron dito. What's this? Pasok tayo. Low. Fuck. Ayaw.
May alley dito eh.
Sige, dito tayo sa alleyway. Okay.
Ikaw, libutin mo. Go, go, go.
Ito. Ano to? What's that?
Damitan. Malagtaan.
Ah,
Go, 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 go.
go.
Ikaw. Tapos na tayo mag-ano eh. Alphamart go.
Yay, Alphamart. Let's go home to the place. Baka masobrang ka na sa gig niya na, yung sa recording mo. Let's go, 9:46 na. Let's go. Wait. Ito ba yung bahay?
Dito. Kanan.
Oh. My bad. Sorry, Bubble magbike. Yan ba?
Ah, yan.
Mr.
Yan mo na lang,
Carson. Throw.
Bili, naiihi ka na gago. Magkaano ka pa eh.
Magkano? UTI?
Ano dumi niyo?
Yan nga eh. Actually.
Nalak mo ba yung door? Kanina, paglabas mo? Oh no.
Oh no. Okay, let's go. Put it in the kitchen. What? What am I gonna do now?
Lagay mo dyan, throw.
Drop it? I kept groceries in the kitchen. Fine, dude. Yan.
Wait.
Okay ka na? Like I said, I had to get on my...
So, okay
akit
na.
ka lang ulit doon. Okay na yun. Nandiyan na sa kitchen eh.
Sure
Diyan,
ba?
pre. Hindi. Sana. Hindi ko makuha.
Kaya tataas mo.
Great. Okay na?
Siguro. Gagawin mo.
Mag-homework na daw eh. I don't know. Wait, saan nga ba yung CR?
Dito.
I had to pee daw eh. Sarang. Hindi, joke lang. Yan. I peed, Mr. Carson. Then I wash my hands. No washing hands, I guess.
Di.
Wala nga, wala talaga. Oh, ano yan? Kobe.
Na!
Kaya nga. Go, do your homework. Ikaw na. Ayaw mo na yun. Lagay mo ulit as palatandaan. Nice. Who the fuck is
Jesus!
Jesus. Dude, you said you're at Carson's, right? Bro, you need to see this.
Oh no.
Yo, search up Roy Carson's divorce.
Oh no. That's not good.
Yeah. Search internet browser. Roy Carson divorce. Harrison, uy.
Ay, ikaw nga.
Roy Carson divorce. Roy Carson, co-founder BM, claims to receiving death threats from the angry fans of his ex-wife. Ooh. Okay. Co-founder of BN Media allegedly receiving death threats from the angry fans of his ex-wife. Hunter News. Ikaw naman magsalita.
It's not usually for audience to be noisy about some of the celebrities' personal matter, but sometimes it's just too overbearing. We see something similar with the case of Roy Carson, the CEO and co-founder of BN Media, after his very public breakup and divorce with his wife, former actress Alisa Brown Carson. It's allegedly been receiving death threats for the fans of Alisa Brown for the rumored ano to?
Infidelity. Bakit may kabit si kung sino man?
Shit.
May kabit si ano?
Underweight the set relationship.
Oh, nice.
Shit.
Yung bahay alam. Sources say Ray Carson has had people. Oh shit. Uh-oh. What's that?
Umuulan! Umuulan! Kaya ka na. Mabasa pa ako eh. And for has been people knocking on his door.
Bro.
By Hunter News.
Okay, wala na. Okay. Malma ka, bitch. Let's go.
Go, Pel, go!
Ah! Oh shit. Oh, close it. Close it. Fucking close it, dude.
Uy, gagulaw!
Oh! Wait. What's he doing? I don't like your smile, dude. I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Naka-yellow siya kanina.
Yellow ba? No, it's just you.
Any...
Here. I guess I'll take it. Hey, it's a probably strange request, but do you think I could wait this time? No! Fuck no! Fuck no! It's probably not very safe to have here. I forgot my raincoat. Bro, you have a car! Nakita mo yung kotse niya? You have a fucking car. No.
Hindi ko makita. I'm
not sure my dad would like that. He's upstairs. This is not my house. Hindi, wag yung this is not my house. Pwede naman no. Pero ikaw bahala.
Ito,
Ako,
is upstairs. Ito
ako
para
yan.
alam niyo may katano.
may tao. Oh.
Oh
Pero
no.
feeling ko,
Alam niya.
feeling ko alam niyang, ano eh. I understand.
Oh no. You can wait here. May upuan dyan sa labas.
Yeah, you can wait here until... Leave. Yeah. You know, may kotse naman siya. Like, bro.
Wait,
Just
joke
down there.
lang!
Mahal kita.
Pwede siya maghintay di.
Oo nga. Pero, hindi, may kotse siya eh. Kung ako, bro. Now, watch some TV again. Wait, ba't puti lang? Ay, hindi pala. Horror yan ah. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good, puppy. Jesus. What's that? Pagod na natakam tuloy ako sa pizza, pero diet ako eh. May pizza na masarap eh. Na mura lang.
You do the rest.
In the dungeon if you don't.
I'm gonna watch this now.
If you tell me what the radius of 2 squared is, I'll think about sparing you.
Can I eat?
My name is Jack Barnett.
Bro, ang takaw ko pre.
I'm held hostage by Mr. Hall
Bakit?
for 37 days.
I already ate 3
He makes me
pizzas.
solve math work from my
Kaya ko nga 2 ano eh, box eh.
Ako din actually, kaya ko ng box, pero ayoko.
Okay.
Lalo lang pag gutom na gutom ako, kaya ko yung isang box.
Kuha ka muna na ano pre. Tubig sa rep. Uuhaw ka niyan.
Hindi, kaya yan.
Sige. Oo.
Some intense shit right here. Hope everything's okay. Aww. Lungkot ka. Sorry, I got good idea. Sweet dreams. I don't like that may kumakatok.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. Come on down. Look at me. I'm the toilet man. Come over here. I'm the toilet man. I'm the toilet man. Come over here. I'm the toilet.
Jesus.
I'm in the toilet man.
Ang creepy niya na.
Hello. I'm the toilet man. Come over here. Hello.
Pre, nilulunok ko lang yung pizza, pre.
Yan, ginunguya niya.
I heard someone at the door.
Okay. I got
Yeah.
the first door. You're the next one to open the fucking door this time.
Teka, ubusin ko lang to.
Continue to eat.
Kunti-kunti. Yan, ubus na. I still have it.
Andiyan pa din yan.
I still have the thing. Wait, look at someone at the door. There's no one
What
at the
if
door.
CCTV?
I knew I heard that. Yeah, go to the CCTV actually. Oh no. So, hindi ko alam kung saan, paano eh.
AD. Makikita mo yung top left kung
Uy,
merong
oh.
notification. De, top left kung merong red thing. Balik ka. What the fuck?
Bakit?
Ano yun?
Ano yan?
Flowers?
Ano?
Check mo yung basement.
There's some flowers. Tas may nakita ko naglakad pa ganun eh. Or baka umalis na siya. Parang iniwan lang niya yung flowers.
Nah, we can do that tomorrow, I guess. Alis ka na dyan. 1, 2, 3! Ha! Ha!
Bro! Pangit sa pa. Kaya. Nandun pa din yung ano. Nandun pa din yung can opener.
What if labas na?
No. I don't think that's an option. Yeah, fuck that flower.
Do your homework na. Go.
Let's go.
Madali
Yay!
mo
For
yan.
the first time, ka-receive ako flowers. For the first time. Oh,
Oh no!
fuck
Wait.
that. Hey, how are you? What did you have for dinner? Who yun? Joke lang. Who you?
Pwede ba mag-enter?
Oh, mali. Kasi who you? Who is this? Ay, ayusin natin.
Sige, malay mo mag-ano.
Ay, sorry. Ayaw. Wala, ayaw talaga. Yan. She was the wrong number.
Wow, sana all ganyan lang.
Ganyan lang pala mag-aral.
Tayo mo
May
lang mag-load.
button, no? Tiring! Okay na. Alam mo na yan. 12 a.m. Joke lang.
Oh no, akala ko maaga na.
1:36 a.m. 1 hour
Oh,
later, my
oh,
oh
oh,
shit.
Oh,
no.
I know now, I
No.
know now. Pre, bili.
Ano?
Alec Carrison 5387.
Ano?
Alec Carrison 5387. You shitty hell. Carrison. Alec Carrison ha. 53587. Oo, alam ko welcome, Billy. Oh,
Wait ako dun.
nakita ko yun, Andy.
Oo, nakita ko din yun. What's next? Nasa garage eh. Parang papunta siyang garage eh. Kaya kailangan ko kumalma. Yun din nasa isip ko. Looks like, hindi.
Damn it!
Kumalma, wait lang. Ako naman. Ito ano. Fuck.
Yeah!
Ikaw.
Italy, baby!
Okay. Ba't ang hirap nung akin? Hindi yan Myanmar, hindi yan Poland. Hindi yan Estonia, Kazakhstan. Ay, Estonia. Tangina. Yan mo siya. Saan natin kumalma? Hindi yan Vatican? Oh, Vatican yun? Anong gawin ko?
Uy, wala na yung ano mo.
Yung flashlight ko, gago.
Yaman dyan lumutang, yan. Yan na lang. Oh, nah, bra.
Nah, bro. Fuck. Asan yung flashlight? Uy, asan yung flashlight 3?
Oh, hindi natin binasa to.
Oo nga pala. Everybody, so why keep me? Why you always being 3? Are you being immature? Fine. Todd is so much hotter anyways. Wait, who are you?
Oh, si ano?
Baka
Kara?
yan yung... Oo, baka yan yung asawa. Yung dating
Ba?
asawa.
No. Yung inaasar tayo ng kaibigan natin.
Oo nga, yung dating asawa nga.
Wait, matanda na ta?
Hmm.
Alam ko na gagawin mo. Nakita mo yung kanina?
Alin?
Don't mess with it daw kanina. Maybe you should, check the electricity outside. Yeah, that's the only way. With your flowers.
Oh my god, lalabas ako. Oh my god, dude. No, don't go there. Dude, why are you going there? Oh! Bro!
Oh, fuck this. I'm gonna go.
Crouch. There. Oh, now it's... Can I go home? What? No. Wala yung sound na yun. Okay. Very good. Wait, pwede mo ulit kunin yun ah.
Ayoko. Ayaw mo dun. Yeah!
Okay na. Oh fuck, mayroon na naman dun.
Oh
Huh?
no!
Where? Uy! Ooh.
Ikaw naman puminto, tayo ka na.
Bro. Take a pray.
Bakit? Nangyari sa'yo?
Ano lang.
Do your homework na lang.
Wait.
Ay, sorry.
Gusto ko ibang homework gawin ko. Ecuador. Fuck.
Japan.
Japan.
Israel.
Israel.
Wawa.
Uh,
Serbia.
Serbia.
Ay, hindi.
Bobo. Ukraine. Laos. Village. Fuck Congo. Oh. I had a strange gut feeling of the situation. It might sound super number, I just didn't want to overthink things. Let's check.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, may movement.
Oh my god, may movement.
Oh my god, may movement. Bhutan!
Sorry! Yeah, mali na. Oh wow.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh my god, the door opened. Oh! Dude. What the fuck happened there? Ay, nabag lang uli natin. Bro, I'm done. Sige, go sweat lang.
Oh no!
Oh!
Downstairs.
Downstairs. Downstairs. Sige, check mo ulit. Oh my. Oh, kita mo yun?
Hindi.
Sa labas.
May sumilip?
Diyan. Oh, may dumadaan. May
Sa
dumaan.
kaliwa kanan, pakaliwa kanan.
Papuntang kanan. Fuck, wala na siya. Pumunta siyang kanan.
Pag ganon,
Oo, pag ganun. Please don't go down. Please don't make me go down.
you have to mean.
Guess the flag. Nepal. Fuck you. Colombia. Kano ba tayo? Oh my god, the song.
Ano oras na?
Sa one something.
Wanna see? Bro, it's like,
Ay na 5 minutes lang yung nagdaan.
you do it. Actually,
Bro, kanina pa ako, pre.
wow! Ako nga this time eh.
Kaya nga. Hindi ka pa bumababa eh.
Ikaw ang bababa.
No! O sige, ruleta.
Ano ruleta?
Pakinggan mo,
Kung meron ka sa baba.
Shit, ang bilis mo.
Putang ini. Si ba nandyan ha?
Why did you?
Putang ina nyo ah. No. Okay, ikaw na.
Ina mo, visit ka, ba't ka lumabas? You fucker.
Saan yung room na yun? Check mo muna yun siguro.
CR yan.
Hindi, yung room kanina.
Puta, ina. Hindi nakahanda yung ko. Hindi nakahanda yung mga cut videos ko. Oh my god, I just wanna... Bilis mo dun. Ang bilis mo dun.
Siyempre.
Gusto ko yun.
Takbo na sa taas, pre! Takbo na! Coach!
Storage room meron eh.
Is messing with what? Tapos sasabihin niya kasama niya. Ah, my God. Wait, alam ko yung sound na yan. Parang narinig ko na yung sound na yan.
Ako din, narinig ko rin yung...
He was gonna go to movies with Brady.
Brady, but then start talking sleepover. Still the same. Oh? Yeah, it's still the same. Still the same. Oh my goodness, she's in the fucking house too.
Bro, how he... Di ba niya nila...
He's in the fucking house too. Oh, pre, yung knife!
Oh.
Tatlo yan! Puk!
So,
No, dude. Fuck. Yun agad, alam mo yun agad yung tinitignan ko dyan. Kasi may feeling ako eh.
ako bintana.
Fuck. Oh no, dude. Oh no. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Least of my worries.
Gagawin natin.
Mag-guess
mo
the
ba-
flag. Hindi, joke lang. Uh, I don't know what to do. Ano ba sabi sa ano? Oh, this is real sketchy. We're gonna go to the movies. We're doing certain stuff. Dude, wait, did you check out the article? It was Brady who told me about it. Oh, this is real sketchy.
Type mo.
Hell,
Malapit lang ba kayo?
hell. Long. Fuckers. Ba't ako nakatayo? Hindi ko gusto tumayo eh.
Gago, yun yung need mo eh. Pero wala ka na makikita sa CCTV. Oh! Never mind. Na my girlfriend.
Oh no. Bro, she has a knife.
Saan yun? Saan yun? Yan, saan yun? Saan yun? Second floor?
Oh, bro. Go, go, go. No. Umalis ka dyan.
Ikaw, gumalaw ka. Dito. He knows my name? You do the rest, pre. Ah, oh no.
Na.
Sabi mo, pre, WrestleMania.
WrestleMania.
Adrenaline. Bili, pre, mag-adrenaline ka na. Adrenaline. What's the point?
Do that.
Wanna see, man?
Sabi sa yung psycho killer eh. Damn.
You gonna do that again?
Labas ka nga. Oh, fuck. Gulat ako doon. Okay, she's actually roaming.
Sabi niyo ba, run outside?
Oh,
What if ikaw na lang gumawa?
ba't ako?
You have the courage, pre.
No, I don't. No, what? Exit eh. Joke lang. Bigla ako sa gorin. May kabado ko, pre. Basta mag-mute na ako pag ano. Kasi yung lakas talaga ng mic ko eh.
Doesn't matter. Tahimik ka lang. Stay. Dito lang ako. Oo, hindi lang. Gesture.
Noah.
Lakad na ba ako?
Noah.
Alis na? Bye, bitch.
Nice!
Left the house and ran down the block. My dad called the cops. But by the time they arrived, she had already left the house. But I knew where she lived.
Noise, pre. Kara was one of the
Awesome.
first people I met on a dating site. She was 3 years older than me, but I found her cute, so we started dating. She started doing math. I tried to get her help, but she turned it around on me as if I was trying to change her. One day I had enough and I had break up with her. I told her to leave and never contact me again. She was pissed.
Yun lang dahilan.
She was trying to convince one of the cops she didn't intend of doing anything wrong that night. But of course, the cop wasn't buying it. Okay, cops! They reviewed the footage and showed everything. From the point of entry to the moment she grabbed the kitchen knife. But the thing that messed with me was the most was the fact that nothing was stolen from the house. Turns out she was heavily under the influence of the drug and alcohol at the time. She was arrested and sentenced for a long while. Okay. Wait, that's it? Oh yeah, that's it.
Literally 2 hours lang dapat tayo kanina.
Hindi lang dapat 2 hours. Kaya to ng 1 hour kundi tayo sobrang takot na takot.
Di pre.
Yay. Okay, may top donations. Ano?
Kailangan gawin yan.
And the Discord Twitter community. Nice.
Well,
Oh, Jacksepticeye? Nilaro na niya to?
Oh.
Ooh. Panawin ko ang map.
well,
Yay! Tapos na.